Hi everyone, I'm Sabi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sort a view by any metric. If you look at this dashboard, this view is sorted. Here you can see the small sorting symbol, and this one is not. I show you how to sort this view as well by any metric. I go to the sheet, and step 1, I click on the metric on the view, which I would like to sort. I choose the option Sort, then I choose the option Field, and here I can decide whether I would like to sort the view ascending or descending. And here I can pick up any field from the data source. I choose sales current here and I pick up descending. And as you can see, the view is sorted. They are exactly the same now. Thank you for your attention. This was the short summary how to sort a view by any metric. On the left side, you can see the visual summary as well, so you can take a screenshot. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.